Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the transformative potential of Kundalini energy for manifesting abundance in all areas of life. In today's video, we dive into the power of Kundalini and how it can enhance our ability to attract abundance, prosperity, and success. Join us on this journey of self-discovery as we unlock the secrets to manifesting abundance through the activation of the Kundalini energy. Kundalini energy is an innate spiritual force that resides within each of us. It lies dormant at the base of the spine and can be awakened through specific practices. This awakened Kundalini energy empowers us to tap into the unlimited abundance of the universe and manifest our soul's deepest desires. If you are interested in learning the steps and methods to awaken your Kundalini energy, please check out the different informational videos we have published in the Kundalini resource playlist on our channel. Aligning with abundance consciousness. To manifest abundance, it's essential to align our consciousness with abundance itself. Kundalini energy helps us shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. By raising our vibrational frequency through Kundalini practices, we attract positive opportunities, synchronicities, and abundance into our lives. Clearing energetic blockages. Kundalini energy can help us identify and release energetic blockages that hinder our manifestation abilities. Through Kundalini practices like yoga, breathwork, and meditation, we activate and purify our energy centers, or chakras, allowing the free flow of abundance energy throughout our being. Enhancing intuition and manifestation power. Kundalini energy activates and heightens our intuition, which is a powerful tool for manifesting abundance. By developing a deep connection with our intuitive guidance through our third eye, we can make aligned choices and take inspired actions that lead us towards abundance in all aspects of life. Kundalini practices for manifesting abundance. There are specific Kundalini practices that can amplify our manifestation power. Techniques such as visualization, affirmation, mantra chanting, and Kundalini yoga kriyas can help us focus our energy and intentions towards manifesting abundance. Regular practice of these techniques strengthens our manifestation abilities over time. Cultivating gratitude and detachment. Gratitude and detachment are essential elements in the process of manifesting abundance. Kundalini energy helps us cultivate gratitude for what we already have and detach from the outcome of our desires. By surrendering to the flow of abundance and trusting the process, we create space for miracles to unfold. The power of Kundalini in manifesting abundance is undeniable. By harnessing this divine energy within us, we can tap into the infinite abundance of the universe and create a life of prosperity and fulfillment. Through aligning our consciousness, clearing blockages, enhancing intuition, and practicing Kundalini techniques, we unlock our inherent ability to manifest abundance. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Kundalini energy and its manifesting power. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on spiritual growth, manifestation, and self-discovery. Remember, you have the power within you to manifest abundance in all areas of your life. Embrace the transformative journey of Kundalini and watch as abundance unfolds before your eyes. Thank you for being here today. See you in the next video.